don't know what's next.
Well, we'll just switch to the recorded stuff for the moment.
158 or
I was about to
3 or I don't know what.
go to 7. Yeah, it's not such a bad life, is it?
I like it.
Down here on holiday in my basement. Well, it's quite an old bridge actually, the feel of it.
I'd imagine that 800 would be sitting there for some time, so I think the next one might be coming from So basically those buffer tracks. So
it doesn't look like it's on the move.
Nah, not yet.
Is it not sitting over there in the sidings?
No, it's a railway coming from Penzance.
Ah, right.
Yeah, these side tracks can easily support a 9 carriage.
I'm just going to call this video the Cornwall.
Would you make one big video?
No, this one I'm doing on my tablet now. I was going to call it the Cornwall Bridge, but it's not really, it's the Penzance Bridge. Penzance Railway Bridge or something like that. Yeah, we're just looking to see.
I still wonder why you might never done any videos for you.
I don't know. Well, we're doing a fair few down here. I'll catch up a lot of yours when I get back to the hotel or when I get home.
My 50-minute one actually exports fine, then you can watch it.
How's it getting along?
I accidentally it's export.
It'll run away with your battery, that's the only thing. Yeah.
So that means it will get to my gallery and then I can just
well, the postcards that I sent will not get lifted till tomorrow because the post box was saying that the last collection at that box is at 9 AM. They said the last collection Monday to Friday was at 4 PM from Penzance delivery office,
so
wherever that is.
The criteria for now is just to see which one's faster, 1 or 1A tomorrow, and then base what time we need to get out further around there.
True.
We booked dinner and booked breakfast. So I think what we'll do is we'll book breakfast once we know what time we need to get out for.
I can always check that. I don't know if they'll have plugs downstairs in the actual. But what I can do is I'll take this down to dinner with us, the tablet.
Yeah.
We can talk about that over dinner.
Damn right. Oh!
What?
You know how you said red and white is like national spread? Look at that. That's even that. I've seen pictures of this guy, but I've never actually seen it before. Look at that. That's lovely over there. That's like CGO, but it's green. Look at that. You love the game actually, I can't blame you.
Cornwall College.
College? Must be like a college place. Like, one there.
Must be.
Yeah,
Unless it's one. Unless it's one that gets used for the college students on a particular route. I genuinely don't know.
You're not really going to see that many people. But like dollars, well, because if you think about it, dollars was before Exeter. And the same with the Exeter, the way in cross country, the BDR, anything else.
I think we'll maybe see anything that's like what was it, Carnoustie or Wallingford? Probably not as busy as Wallingford, I wouldn't have thought.
No, it won't be as busy, but it's going to be nice. Might be a bit greedy though. Maybe that's a college one. I'm not entirely sure about it. This is just college branding.
Maybe.
Surely, if that train leaves before we leave, surely it can't just be that one.
What's the one, Jan? It's more like a case of honk if you want to go faster.
I haven't seen it in person. No wonder why our train is so fast. It's long, hard straight there.
This video I'm doing on my tablet, folks, is like a conclusion to the live stream But by the time you see this video, it will be later on. We'll probably be having dinner.
I can believe Penzance don't look big.
Well, we haven't seen it the other side of Penzance yet, the town centre side.
Yeah, the Dolphin Tavern for the...
Well,
the Dolphin Tavern for the...
it's a pretty big place, if I'm being honest.
But that's what I like about Penzance train station. It's puts you right into the centre, isn't it?
Exactly.
There's an MMC coming down, but I don't know if that'll come past us.
Because that road up there, the hill, that's... In fact, I thought... We were discussing this in the hotel last night.
No, we weren't.
No, what I'm thinking we did.
I don't know.
We were talking about going all the way up to John O'Groats.
Today, yeah.
Not
today, but
but next year.
Yes.
Instead of starting here, we start at Land's End. But we can stay overnight here, even at the longboat. Take the bus to Land's End, and then that's when we officially start.
Cross country 220 from Edinburgh.
What times did you hear, did you say?
5:42.
So that's...
We started this journey 7 o'clock.
7 a.m.
And it seems to be quite a few more places. Dunbar, Belfast,
Berwick.
yeah.
I was going to say Haggerston Castle, but that doesn't really have
Yeah, a couple of the shots.
a train station as such.
Well, one at 5:42, and then we have one at 5:50, which would be that 800.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have a class 802 to 03 from Plymouth, and then we have 802 005 to Exeter, which hasn't actually arrived yet. From Exeter. And then we have another train to Plymouth, it's 802 003. So we've still got, so we've got about...
You said it's not arrived yet, is it maybe running late?
No, it's from. No, that's like later on. You like
okay.
So we'll have 6 trains. So that's not too bad.
Not bad at all, mate. And that's me with the dodgy.
So basically,
Aussie
see our
accent.
last train by 10 to 7, so that's perfect. So we've got 10 minutes into this to 20 grams, and then so on and so forth.
Yeah. Because what I'm thinking is, if it started at 7 a.m.
Get a shaving gel when we come back from, or do you still want to get it today?
If the cross cutter next to the hotel still open, I'll pop in there.
I don't know how far we're going to be into the train.
Probably just that bend. I'm thinking.
Find it. I mean, are you where you feel comfortable? This one, where you are, or where you down?
Well, it's up to you. What do you want?
Well, I'll be spotted down there.
Yeah.
I might. I mean, obviously this side, I can track to the length of that 800. But if I want the closer up one, I can go see where the bridge just starts going down.
Okay.
Coming down, and this will go down.
There.
This is the one here. Long Street, that's the one.
Harbour ferry, so there must be a ferry departs here or somewhere. That sign down there, the road sign.
No, it just means that it's like for ferry.
Yeah, it's...
Not seen it ferry.
I haven't either.
Yeah, I'm sure they really notice it by now. might not be that. If it's not, no, it is Levante. I thought it was like one of those Santiago SC5 coaches.
Yeah.
However you say it. That could very be watermelon coaches too. So.
Could be anything.
That changes it.
Is that not Hunter's Choice?
Can't be. I mean, Traveller's Choice.
Traveller's Choice, oh, same thing.
Only for home.
Because remember they had a Turismo down here.
Yeah,
Years
yeah,
ago.
you're right. That's not.
No, it's not. It's not.
It's not.
No.
It's coming this way.
Yes, it is.
It's a Mark II is about it.
Tyronian. Must be a company based in Truro. Tyronian, I think is how you pronounce that.
Those freshly painted.
Yeah. Don't know, didn't see what age it was.
Younger than both of us.
Probably younger than both of us combined.
Yeah. No, I don't know that when you are.
No, you're not far wrong there, pal. Far wrong there.